Today's hero? The fire truck. Boing, boing, ready for action. Oh no, there's a fire. Nina, Nina, emergency dispatch. Let's put out the fire. Whoosh. Oh, so dirty. Time to get clean. Sploosh. Who's this? The police car. Boing, boing. Warming up for patrol. Uh-oh, it's a thief. Stop that thief. Whee-oo, whee-oo. Freeze. You're under arrest. Mission complete. Let's get shiny again. Does anyone need help? The ambulance. Boing, boing. A gentle warm-up. Oh dear, there's been an accident. Are you okay? We're on our way. Heave-ho! You're safe now. Covered in mud. It's bath time. Hey kids, time for school. The school bus. Wiggle, wiggle. This is fun. The kids are waiting. Vroom, vroom. Let's go get our friends. We're here. Everyone arrived safely. Great job today. Time for a wash. Let's clean the city. The garbage truck. Thump, thump. Full of power. Yikes, the street is a mess. All right, let's start cleaning. I'll eat it all. Num num. Ah, so refreshing. All clean.
In the backyard, bright and sunny day. Open up the toy box, time to come and play. 5 little heroes ready for the call, standing by to help out one and all. Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. First up is the fire truck, shiny red and bright.
Oh no, a little toy house, a flickering orange light.
Ladder up and water sprays, a whoosh and a splash.
Puts the fire out now in a single dash.
Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. Here comes the police car in blue and purest white.
A little toy thief is running with all of his might.
Chasing down the pathway, weeble, weeble, go!
Blocks the way and saves the day, a hero's happy glow.
Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. The ambulance is gentle, the school bus is so kind.
Helping falling toys up, leaving no one behind.
The garbage truck is hungry, munching trash with glee.
Making our whole backyard clean for you and me.
The busy day is over, the sun is getting low. Time to wash the dust off with a bubbly flow. Clean and park together, shining in a row. Good night, our backyard heroes, ready for tomorrow. Good night, everyone. So sad.
Vroom, vroom! The red dump truck races along, full of soil. Oh no! The road has ended. Its front wheels stop right at the dangerous edge. Whoa! It falls right into the river. Splash! After losing all its soil, it floats helplessly down the river. Now, a green mixer truck appears. Whir, whir! It drives along, spinning its drum. Oops! It hits a little stone and flies into the air. Spinning and tumbling, it falls into the water. Kerplunk! The mixer truck is upside down now, drifting next to its friend. Here comes the super strong yellow bulldozer. Rumble! But even the mighty bulldozer can't stop on the slippery edge. Oh no! With a big cloud of dust, it plunges into the water too. The heavy bulldozer sinks deep, all the way to the riverbed. All three friends are trapped in the river and can't move. What will they do? Look! Far over the hill, a blue truck appears. Could it be? It's the blue tow truck, here to save the day. It's finally here. The blue tow truck bravely drives towards the dangerous riverside. It moves its crane, figuring out how to rescue its friends. Okay, first rescue. The crane extends and lowers its hook. Underwater, it finds the dump truck and hooks on tight. Clank! Heave-ho! It powerfully lifts the wet dump truck. The first rescue is a success. Now, it carefully places the truck onto safe, dry land. Without a rest, it moves to rescue the second friend, the mixer truck. As the crane lifts the overturned truck, it spins back upright. Now, two friends stand side by side, watching the final rescue. The most difficult rescue, finding the bulldozer at the bottom of the river. Wow! With a mighty pull, it finally lifts the heavy bulldozer out of the water. Thanks to the hero tow truck, all three friends have been rescued safely. The friends shake their wheels, wiggling the last drops of water off. Now they follow the tow truck, leaving the dangerous river behind. Four brave vehicles heading towards a bright future together.
On a road so sunny and bright, three little trucks a happy sight. Red and green and yellow too. Vroom, 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 the whole day through. Red dump truck was driving fast, a happy moment meant to last. But the road ahead gave way. Splash! He fell in, oh what a day. Help me, was his cry as he floated slowly by. Green mixer bounced upon a stone, and with a little whirring groan, yellow dozer slipped and slid right into the place he hid. Now all three friends were in the stream, a very scary, watery dream. But wait, who's coming strong and true? It's the brave tow truck, painted blue. Go, 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 blue tow truck, go, lifting friends up from below. With your mighty hook and crane, you will save them once again. Down goes the hook with a little clink, pulls red dumper from the brink. Then green mixer spinning round is placed back safely on the ground. And yellow dozer from the deep, while his two friends watch and cheer. Hooray, he's coming strong and true. It's the brave tow truck, painted blue. Go, 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 blue tow truck, go, lifting friends up from below. With your mighty hook and crane, you have saved them once again. Three little trucks are safe and sound on the solid, happy ground, following the hero blue and bright, driving off into the light. Vroom, 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 the adventure's done. Helping friends is always fun.
Vroom, vroom, racing happily down the winding dirt road. Screech! Oh no, the road is crumbling. The wheels are hanging in the air. Rumble. The ground gives way and I'm tipping over. Tumble, tumble, crash! I'm rolling all the way down the hill. Splash! I fell right into the chilly stream. Oh, I'm stuck in the water. Somebody, help me! Wee-woo, wee-woo! A friend is in trouble. The rescue team is on its way, lowering the rescue chain down carefully. Clink! Okay, it's hooked on tight and secure. Heave-ho! Pull! Everyone, pull together with all your might! Drip, drip, The water is draining and I'm upright again. We did it! Now let's carefully pull you to safe ground. Vroom, vroom. I wonder what new adventure awaits today. Screech! Whoa! What's that big muddy puddle up ahead? Squish! Oh no! My wheels are sinking in the thick mud. Kerplunk! I flipped over and fell right into the muddy water. Wee-woo, wee-woo! Another emergency! The crane truck is racing to the rescue. You're completely underwater. Don't worry, we'll get you out. Splash! The heavy rescue chain is dropping into the murky water. Clink! Got it! The chain is hooked to the truck underwater. Slowly lifting our friend out of the muddy water. Thud! Setting you down. You're free! Thank you so much! Honk honk! Room room! All the brave truck friends are heading home together.
Vroom, vroom on a sunny day. Wheels are spinning, come and play. Let's go driving, you and me. Happy as a truck can be. Orange tanker on the winding track. Sees a corner, can't turn back. The ground goes crumble, a little slip. Splash, right in the stream it dips. Oh no, help, the tanker cries with worried little headlight eyes. Wee-woo, wee-woo, don't you fear. Your amazing friends are here. With a hook and with a chain, we will save the day again. Honk, honk, hooray. Yellow dumper, fresh and new, doesn't see the muddy goo. The wheels sink down, a wibble wobble. Kerplunk, now he's in a lot of trouble. Upside down and stuck so tight. Everything has gone all wrong, not right. But look, a red crane tall and grand extends a hook with a steady hand. Lifts him gently from the mess. Hooray! It's a big success! Wee-woo, wee-woo, don't you fear. Your amazing friends are here. With a hook and with a chain, we will save the day again. Honk, honk, hooray. All the trucks are safe and sound, driving on the solid ground. Heading home, the sun is bright. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Good night, good night.
Oh no! The block tower went crash. Blue paint. Poof! A police car. Wee woo! Wee woo! The police car speeds to the scene. Round and round, making a safe zone. Red paint. Poof! A brave fire truck. Carefully, the truck moves in to rescue. Whirr! The ladder lifts the block. White paint. Poof! A kind ambulance. Nee-naw, nee-naw. The ambulance is here. Swoosh! Rushing the teddy bear to safety. Green paint. Poof! A garbage truck. Room, room. Time to clean the mess. Swish, swash, sweeping up all the pieces. Yellow paint. Poof! A strong bulldozer. Rumble, rumble. Here comes the bulldozer. Heave-ho! Pushing the blocks into a pile. Orange paint. Poof! A clever excavator. Creak! Getting ready to move the blocks. Scoop! Lifting the blocks with its giant arm. Dark yellow paint. Poof! A sturdy dump truck. Beep, beep, beep. Backing up to get the blocks. Vroom! It carries the blocks to a new site. Red paint again. Poof! A tall tower crane. Zing! The crane stretches its arm up high, up and up, building a brand new tower. Wow! They built a better tower.